Good morning, Standard 8. I am going to continue chapter 3 Tissue, Plant and Animal Tissue. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about the meristematic tissue and its type. So let us know about meristematic tissue and type of meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. What do you mean by meristematic tissue? The type of tissue plant tissue which have unique capacity to divide continuously throughout life of plant. Is known as meristematic tissue. So dear student, let us understand about it. What do you mean by the meristematic tissue? The type of the plant tissue. Meristematic is a type of a plant tissue which have unique capacity, which have an important capacity to divide continuously throughout the life of the plant. Means continuously it used to divide till the plant alive and make the plant to grow in the height, grow in the thickness. Okay, dear student. So let us know about the type of meristematic tissue. Types of meristematic tissue. First, apical or known as terminal meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. The type of the meristematic tissue which is present at the tip of the plant and help to grow in height is known as apical meristematic, dear student. So tip of the plant. So let us understand with the help of the example, dear student. You see here, this is the small diagram I am making. See here, this is the root. Here is this plant. So this apical meristematic is being found at the tip of the plant, and at the tip of the root, at the lower base, and help the plant to grow continuously in upward and downward direction, dear student. So this is known as a apical meristematic tissue, which is present at the top of the plant and at the lower base in the root, and help to grow the plant upward and downward. Next is the second type, cambium. Cambium, or known as lateral tissue. It is situated below bark, below the bark, and help to grow in thickness. So dear student, next type of the meristematic tissue is cambium, or it is known as a lateral tissue, or the lateral tissue. So the type of the lateral tissue or the cambium meristematic tissue, which is located below the bark, dear student, in the outer covering of the stem. Bark is made of the dead cell. So below the bark, cambium or lateral meristematic is being present, which help to grow the stem branches into thickness. Means thickness is being increased by the help of the cambium or the lateral meristematic tissue, dear student. Or you can say increase in the diameter of the plant. So these are the two types of the meristematic tissue: apical meristematic tissue and cambium meristematic tissue. So dear student, read the topic and learn about it. Thank you, dear student.